So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change MPH to KMH or miles per hour to kilometers per hour on Life360. So through here, let's open up Life360. So it's going to give you this location right there or the globe in general like that. So if you want to change your units within the app, you can check it out within settings, but usually it won't be on here to change. As you can see your smart notifications, location sharing, circle management. You can add people to circle, but you won't be able to see the option to actually change it within your app settings. You'll need to go to your device settings. So once you exit this, you can open up your settings. So if you go to there, you can then go to your region and you can set it up once you get to your general settings on here. So through there, you can see your fonts, keyboard, and then you can click on language and region. And you can see the options at the very bottom, your calendar, the way you like to have your date, temperature, if you want it in Celsius or Fahrenheit, your measurement system, if it's metric or imperial, and then you can choose on there, and your app's metrics, or rather your app's measurement system is going to be updated as well. So you don't have to do it within the app, you have to do it for your entire device. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or similar topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.